Welcome to Volza, where we make success in bamboo import, export, smart and simple. Finding new opportunities in bamboo import, export trade has never been easier. Simply type in bamboo on our website, and our AI-powered search algorithm will help you find the most suitable buyers or suppliers interested to work with you on over 20 parameters. Our algorithm searches through billions of bill of lading records to find the best opportunities for bamboo business worldwide. Here is the search result on bamboo export and import markets, buyers and suppliers. Let us move to bamboo export markets. Identify and assess key markets of bamboo like Vietnam, China, and Indonesia with our real-time analytics. Now let us find bamboo buyers. Volza helps you find the most profitable and promising buyers of bamboo. Home goods, IKEA are top buyers for bamboo in the market. We provide direct dials and LinkedIn profiles of key decision makers to help you initiate the right connections with top buyers. You can even prospect the entire buying committee by accessing the organization chart of executives related to purchase decisions. Say goodbye to outdated bulk emails. Volza ensures you reach the right people with an almost 100% response rate. Let us now explore bamboo procurement. Find most economical and reliable bamboo suppliers. Say goodbye to unreliable suppliers with Volza. Our platform helps you find the best suppliers for bamboo. Kong, Hafuko, and Fang are top 3 suppliers for bamboo in the market. But there's more. Volza equips you with advanced supply chain intelligence in the import-export trade, offering a competitive edge. Gain insights into your competitor supplier and buyer networks, as well as their hidden trade connections. Sign up for a free demo and begin leveraging our advanced AI technology for quick and effortless success. Join the thousands of businesses already using Volza to grow and expand their import-export business. Click the link in the description below to avail of a free demo, or visit volza.com to start connecting with your perfect match today. Discover hundreds of opportunities to grow your export, import business in the demo itself. Already using Volza? Join our referral program and earn extra income or even a free subscription. Thank you for watching. Grow your import, export business with Volza today.